Hi everybody, I'm Andreea, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do your own bridal makeup. Maybe you're getting married this year, maybe you're here just for fun, I don't know, but this is what this video is all about. I've created this very romantic look. I've used one palette only so that it's, easier for future brides out there. For each bride, the colors are different and the application can be different. But this is just one option. This is how I would do my makeup. Not that I would ever marry again, but I'm just saying. You hear that? You're stuck with me. I am wearing this absolutely gorgeous, I don't know if I could show you more, but this is such a beautiful blouse that I got from my very talented friend Andrea, who has this brand called Murmur. Super sexy, retro, feminine clothes. I absolutely love it. I just want to thank those of you who already subscribed to my YouTube channel. And if you're not subscribed already, please do so. And make sure you clicked on that ring bell button as well. This way you're going to be notified whenever I'm posting new videos. Now, if you'd like to see how I've created this very soft, romantic bridal look, then please keep on watching. There are just extensions, okay? My hair does not grow that fast. If throughout this video you're going to see some extension pop up, it's normal. I sort of wanted to recreate the hair I had on my wedding day. When we talk about bride, we talk about a little preparation, right? In advance. In my opinion, the smile is the most important thing, and everything looks better if you have a beautiful smile. I'm using Smile Brilliant. I told you about it many times in my videos. This 100% worked for me and my husband. Put a picture in here with before and after. So they create these custom trays for you. You put the gel, the whitening gel in here. They're, I wouldn't say the most comfortable thing in the world, but you can still talk. I only keep these for a maximum of 50 minutes because I've got very, very sensitive teeth. I could actually get whiter than this. And last year in summer, I really had very, very white teeth, like everybody was asking me about. But I gotta admit, I'm kind of lazy. So yeah, if you're looking to get this, I've got a discount code. Please check out my description box. Skin is super important, not just for the bridal makeup look, but for any makeup look and just for yourself. It's really important to take care of your skin. At my wedding, this whole area, I literally had like those really big pimples that were so painful that when I was sleeping, it really hurt if I was like on a side. In here, I was full of black heads, very noticeable. I remember back then I would use a lot of Paula's Choice products. I used to think that it's just the way it is. My skin has pimples. I will have acne for the rest of my life. My dad had it. My brother had it. I even came to this point where I was like okay with it. And then I got to Paris and I discovered Biologique Recherche and I discovered exfoliants and the importance of exfoliating your skin. And by that I don't mean scrub. A mechanical exfoliation can be pretty harsh for your skin, can damage more than help. I'm not a doctor, but I can tell you what I've used. For me, P50 from Biologique Recherche changed my skin completely. I use it till this day. Not every night, but I still use it. Second best choice I could have possibly be doing in my life is the ketogenic diet. Because it does not allow you to eat sugar, my skin just completely changed. Now let's actually get into the makeup. I'm sure everybody is waiting for that. I bet some of you are like, are you gonna start already? I'm going to start by using this by Terry CC serum. This brightening CC serum, it has a very beautiful shimmer, extremely subtle. You could absolutely apply this every day. This comes in 4 different colors. I am using 100 Gem Glow. This packaging in particular was a limited edition for Christmas. But you can still find this product with a little different packaging. Now, when it comes to foundation, there are a few that I love You already know my love for Armani Luminous Silk. Okay, that is a very good foundation. Another one that I love to use on myself, for me it's very long lasting, is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Dior Backstage. This is one of the most used foundations in my kit. I love this because it's lightweight, it sets pretty fast, it stays on forever. Love this stuff. This is what I'm going to use. This is available in 40 shades. I recommended to use it with a brush. I've got self tan on, so my foundation is going to be much darker than my face. Of course, you're going to apply foundation on your white ears. A very important aspect about this foundation is that it photographs really well, because at the end of the day, this is not just a bridal makeup, this is a photography makeup. Concealer. Nothing stays like this guy right here. Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm using light medium. I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and push the concealer into the skin. The reason why I'm using a beauty blender and not a brush today is because I want those dark circles to be well covered. Make sure this part right here is well covered. I'm going to use the same concealer, just tiny bit, center of the face, like so, to create that dimension. If you want your makeup to look really good in pictures, you have to mix cream products with powders. By doing that, you're gonna look amazing in pictures. You know, sometimes when you do your contour, you apply a little bit of bronzer and you look in the mirror, you're already thinking, oh my god, maybe I've applied too much. But then you take a picture and you're like, pale. Next product is this Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate. This is an intensity one. Contour slash bronzer, just to give my face some dimension using this Kat Von D brush. I'm coming with my foundation brush over the edge and make sure it's nice and well blended. I'm going to use this beautiful blush. This is NARS in Torrid. If you have a problem with your blush not staying on all day long, try NARS. This is like really long lasting. Depending on your skin type, if your skin is super dry, I recommend you to use the powder with a brush. If your skin is very oily, use it with either the beauty blender or a powder puff. I take some powder, this is Laura Mercier, and I start with the under eyes. I apply a little bit of powder in there. This Laura Mercier, it's also going to brighten the area. I love this powder so much. Now with just what's left on my beauty blender, I'm just pushing all products together. Now I'm going to take about this amount of powder and I'm just going to swipe this all over the face like so, along all the areas where I haven't used the beauty blender. I did my eyebrows and now I'm going to do my eye makeup, and I'm going to use Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. It has all the colors that I love on a bride. If your eyelids are oily, use an eyeshadow primer. This Marc Jacobs one is really good. With a flat brush, I'm going to take this color right here and apply it on my tiny little brow bone. I'll take this light pink right here with just any blending brush. This is a Morphe M573 brush. Some people prefer to start with the eyes and then do the skin. There's nothing wrong with that. I prefer to start with the skin and then go on with the eyes. Same color I applied on the lower lash line. Now I'm going to take this Misa M05 brush. I'll take the darker color in the palette and I'm going to apply it in a crease and also right at the outer corner on the lower lash line. Next I'm going to take this eyeshadow right here with my fingers and just apply it on the middle of my eyelids. This is such a beautiful like a rose gold. It's going to reflect the light. It just looks so beautiful on the eyelids. I love it. Then I'm gonna take this lighter color right here, the lightest, and with a Morphe M421 brush in the inner corner. As usual, all pinks translate into a little bit more reddish on me. I am already used with that, it's just my skin. I'll use this roller lash from Benefit. This is not black, it's a brown eyeliner. Now we're gonna wing it. Okay, now when it comes to mascara, I always use waterproof mascaras for my clients, and I was using waterproof mascara for my own wedding, but I don't like to use waterproof mascara on myself because I have a hard time taking it off. So I'm gonna use, the good old Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara. After mascara, I strongly recommend you to use false lashes. Now, the reason why I think they're so amazing is because they just elevate the look. It looks amazing in pictures, and I recommend you to use the individual ones because with the strip lash, if God forbid you're gonna cry and you're going to have a corner that's like sticking out, you're done. You would have to take the whole lash off and reapply it. And that's just a pain. So use individuals. It's harder at first to apply them by yourself, but once you get it, you're gonna be so addicted to them. I hope not, for your own sake. They're just changing the whole look. I love eyelashes. I'm going to use these amazing lashes from Sweet Lashes. They're like this. I love the box. It's so cute. There's just something different about these lashes. You've got short, medium, long. I'm going to focus more on the outer corner to give that wispy feeling. Now when it comes to lipstick, you need something that's long lasting. You need a color that looks good on your skin, of course. My advice is to use just a tiny little bit more color than what you normally use. Lip liner is just so important. I am obsessed with it. You see me using it in a lot of my videos, and I love the Nude Envy lip liners. These are very pretty, and I actually love this timeless color. You'll see on my lips it just looks so pretty. Lip liner is going to define your lips. It's going to make your lipstick last longer. Kinda Sexy from MAC is one of my all-time favorite lipsticks from MAC. It's a nude, but it has this beautiful peachy. Now, I don't like lips to be matte like this. I like just a touch of gloss on top of my lips. I feel like it looks so beautiful on a bride, and I'm over the matte lipstick. This is from Nude Envy, and the color is Affection. Now we're going to move on with the skin because we're not done. I will bronze the skin using this Terracotta Sun Trio from Guerlain. I'm just going to take it with my MAC 137 brush. That's just going to give more warmth to the skin. I'm going to use this very beautiful highlighter. This is from Dior in the color 05 using my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, A23. Okay, the light doesn't do it justice. This is Bumpy Ride, and I love this color. It's from NARS. For a bride, I would actually use the All Nighter Setting Mist from Urban Decay, but I am out of it currently, so I'm going to use my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. The setting mist is not only going to prolong the longevity of your makeup, but it's also going to melt all the powders that you've used and make it look more like skin. If there is anybody in here that's getting married, congratulations. I hope you have the wedding of your dreams. Don't be stressed. Everything is gonna be okay. And don't forget that the most beautiful thing you could wear is your smile. Alright guys, this is the final look. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. And let me know in your comments if you are here just, for fun, or if you're gonna have your wedding soon. Make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed already, and click on that ring bell button so you get notifications when I'm posting new videos. You can also follow me on Instagram. I post a lot on my stories. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! I've got more wrinkles here. Look. No, you've got more. I don't like things floating in my glass. These are my husband's. What am I doing? I used to have them. I don't have them anymore. It's okay. Je parle un petit peu français, hein. Pas trop bien, mais ça va, hein. Oh, it's okay, it's fine. 500 cm.